Hey dear dolls, this is Crystal Chanel and I am finally back with a haul video. I know y'all, I know. It has been a little minute. I know I haven't given y'all what you wanted and why you're here, which is a haul video. So if you want to see my take on the Yeezy Season 5, stay tuned.
I just fade away. Fade away.
Okay dolls, so I always get a lot of feedback when I talk about my clothes that I have on and what I think about them instead of doing voiceovers. So if you like this kind of video, let me know down below in the box, okay? But I'm gonna keep it real quick, really simple. This top I just adore. First of all, for the Yeezy inspired season, like I just love the color palette. It's really muted, it's really neutral, but it's not boring. Sometimes I get stuck wearing black or wearing gray or wearing white to feel like I'm doing neutral, but this collection really gives you an option to step outside of that box. So as you can see, really comfortable big oversized sleeves, which just automatically makes you feel like comfortable and chic. It's chic because it has a cute detail with the zipper. So if you didn't want to wear it with the zipper, I would actually wear it off my shoulder like I did before. And if I wanted to wear it with the zipper, I would just undo it in the middle, kind of like Kim K. So I'll put the picture, that way you can see what Kim K looked like versus me. And this is the outfit that I got. The pants are size 16. They fit pretty true to size. I can say though, if you are more hippie or if you have like somewhat of a butt, you may notice that it dips in the back, which is the only thing, but I would still recommend doing the size that you get or I would still recommend getting the size that you are because you don't want your pants to be too baggy. Okay, so that's the first thing. The second thing is the top. I'll put the size again for the top. It's kind of oversized, comfortable. So everything about this look in particular, I recommend. And okay, dolls, so with this look, just like Kim K, it is very, very cute, very casual. Now, it's really LA, just to tell you that. Like basically you're naked, but you have on a jacket, so you're kind of covered. Now, the tank top that I have, it for me doesn't really work that well. It's more or less if you're a part of like the itty bitty titty committee, because for me, my bra and my girls are either poking out from the bottom or they're poking out from the top. Okay, so that's the only thing I would say about this particular tank top. I really do love it though. I'm gonna try to like rock it instead of with the sports. Instead of with like a strapless bra like I have on, maybe like instead with a t-shirt bra or something like that. But it's a really thin strip here. So it is pretty comfortable though. It feels just like a top, they call them, or like a wife beater or whatever. That's what this feels like. It's really lightweight. I really love everything so far that I'm putting on. It's so comfortable, okay? Like I'm that girl that walks around feeling clothes in the store because I love the way that fabric feels. So these pants, again, they're called like satin skin or same skin pants. I'll put all the details on the screen, but these pants are just like the shorts that I had, and they are very comfortable, really thick. They're not see-through. Again, I love the colors. And then this jacket, y'all. This jacket is fly. Like this jacket is a jean jacket, but on the inside it has like this sheath kind of filling material, and it's so warm. It's cozy, but it's not like super hot. So I don't know how that is possible. Maybe because I'm basically naked here, but then I have the jacket on top. So with the jacket, it's all actual denim on the outside. It's kind of oversized. I like the way it looks. And I'll put the sizing down below because I was really wanting that oversized look, but I didn't want it to look too big or baggy or frumpy. And I really do like this jacket. I actually love this jacket. I think it gives me that whole masculine yet sexy vibe. So let me know what you think about this look. So far, I'm digging it. Let's go on. Also, with this complete look, it's again super comfortable. I really love the oversized zip-up hoodie. Now, hoodies are really cute to begin with, but of course you can make it super cute if you wanted to zip it halfway up and then have it off of one shoulder or have it off of both shoulders. That's how you get that look. And you don't have to have a special kind of jacket to do that. You can do it with just any hoodie. Okay, so that's what I did with this particular hoodie. I got it in a size to make it oversized. That's the whole Kim K vibe, where literally it's just like, you throw it on and it's like, oh, I'm just gonna run out the door, but the fact is you're still cute. cute. Okay, so this particular bodysuit, I can't talk about these clothes enough, y'all. This is so stretchy and comfortable. It doesn't feel tight. It's not cutting into my thighs or my hips. The color I really like a lot. I think the color is really pretty, especially on my skin now that I have this tan popping. I also love these shorts. So with the shorts, they're biker shorts. They are a different material. They're more like all cotton and spandex basically, but they're more cotton feeling. They don't feel like the soft silky skin like some of the other bottoms that you saw me wear previously. So this is like a regular cotton short, but it's still comfortable. I love the fact that it's a biker short, so it's something you can throw on as the weather's changing, being that it's now officially spring, but you still have the cold time. So, you know, this is perfect. And I love it. Okay, dolls, so as you can see, your girl is feeling herself, yes, and that's simple because these clothes make you feel good. Like, I was just saying how I can't believe all these clothes I love, and I don't know, when you're shopping online, especially at a new store, it's really hard to get a grasp of their sizing. It's hard to get a grasp of their materials and, you know, how the clothes are going to come versus how they look on the website. So this is probably one of my favorite hauls, hands down. Okay, and I'm really loving these neutral colors. Like, they're muted, but they look really good on, and I think they would actually look good on any skin tone, whether you're really fair toned, if you're really dark. I just love these clothes. They are so comfortable. Like, look at this sweat top. So basically it's a sweat top, but it's cute. It's made like this to go off of your shoulder, and it's not too baggy in the waist area, nor is it too tight. I think this is like perfect. And again, the weather is changing, so I really love the fact that I can pair it with jeans or some bikers. And these bikers, they do fit a little ill in the waist, and that's because I got a bigger size, so I wasn't sure if it was going to be stretchy. I wasn't sure if these pants were going to cover my butt. I didn't know if it was going to be see-through. So I always go up a size that I need, and these fit comfortable in my thighs and my hips, but as you can see in my waist, they don't fit that well. I still recommend them. You can always get your true size or even size down one, but okay, dolls, so let's just get into this jacket. This jacket is well made. I mean, the construction is really nice. It doesn't feel cheap, it doesn't look cheap, and I love the fit. So bomber jackets should be slightly oversized, but at the same time, I don't always like to look really frumpy because I'm already very curvy. So I like when a jacket still gives me that look, but keeps control of my shape, if that makes sense. And this jacket is perfect for that. So again, I'll put all the sizes down below. Look in the description box. But it's a true bomber jacket with the tight arms. And then you have the zip up, different pockets, and pocket on both sides basically. So I think it's really cute. It's really Kim K. You can always see her rocking a bomber jacket. I love this bandeau top. This tube top, it feels really nice. It's that material that I was telling you about. That's like a satiny skin material, but it's pretty thick. It's not too heavy, but it's not thin at all. It's not see-through. This skirt, I love the fit of it. I went down a few sizes because I knew it was a tube skirt. I didn't want it to be big at all. I'd rather it be too tight than too big, but this actually fits perfect. So I'll put the size that I got to the skirt as well in the description box. It's the same material as the shorts that I had on previously, as well as the other pants. So this material, like, there's a whole section you can shop on the site just for the material, and then everything that's like Yeezy season inspired will come up. But this entire look I live for. This whole haul so far I live for, and so far I recommend everything. Okay, dolls, so with this particular dress, it was a little surprising to feel the material. So again, this material feels very comfortable, but it's not super stretchy. So this material kind of reminds me of, again, like the wife beater feel. I can put the size of everything I'll put down below in the box, but basically this dress, I had to really squeeze into it, but it's okay with the size for me because with my waist being smaller and then my legs being smaller, like, I need my dress to not be big on the bottom. So I love the size that I have. I think it's really comfortable. It's not too short. The color is pretty. It's like, again, just another staple color of the Yeezy season-ish vibe. I pretty much think it's a good material. It's not really see-through, which is something I always look for, because a lot of times I wear clothes that have spandex in it, and sometimes that causes clothes to be like see-through, so that when you're walking down the street and say you don't have a long shirt to cover your butt, your booty crack could show. If you're wearing a thong, your thong could show, your panties can show. It's just tasteless, you know? And even though I like to dress sexy, I don't want to look, you know, I want to look like I have class, if you know what I'm saying. So I'm always going to tell you guys the real. When it comes to this dress, it doesn't really stretch, but it's not see-through, so I would recommend it. I love the way that it feels on. I love having my shoulders out. It makes me feel really sexy and feminine, and I also love the top detail. So I like this dress and I recommend it. Hey dolls, okay, so what do you think? You already know I am a lover of neutrals. I usually stick with like the grays and the blacks and the whites, but I wanted to go a little outside of the box. And when I saw Kim K killing it in all of her hubby's clothes, I was like, girl, that's cute. And then of course, Pretty Little Thing has everything Kim K inspired, and I just say, you know what? Everything is right price, everything looks good, the prices, you know, again, are good. I want to go ahead and recommend this to my channel. So I figured, why not do the look for less? Why not show you guys how you can also get the Yeezy inspired look yourself? And here we are. So if you guys enjoy this video, please give me a thumbs up. Share this video with someone that you know. I recommend this website. It's slowly becoming one of my favorites. They have really trendy items, really good prices, and the shipping comes fast. Make sure, if you don't already subscribe to my channel, that you do. I will put the links everywhere on this video, so you can do that. Also, be sure that you follow me as well on Snapchat and Instagram, which is at Chrissy the Doll. That way you can check out my looks, you can check out my Insta stories. Y'all, it be lit. So that's really it, dolls. Again, I want to thank you so much for rocking with me, for tuning in, for all your support, and I want you to leave your comments down below. I'll put also any coupon codes that I can find for Pretty Little Thing down below as well. I'll put all my sizes to everything. If you don't follow me already on my other channels, be sure that you do. I'll put the links on the end of the video, but I do have a fitness channel as well as a vlog channel that I'm working on, so stay tuned. You notice I am tanned, okay? Your girl went out the country and got a little tan or whatever, like I'm popping. But to be honest, I'm thinking about putting that new vlog on my special vlog channel. So if that should be my first vlog, let me know down below what you think. If you want to wait, let me know. But I have a lot of things that I'm working on, y'all. So that's really it. Again, I don't want to take up too much of your time. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.